Adobe Acrobat. What a stack.
Feeling creative, so I load up Adobe. That's when everybody sees me. Yeah, nothing rhymes with Adobe.
That was amazing, Mr. the Rapper.
Thank you. You can just call me Chance.
Okay, Chance.
Well, hold on. Maybe we do find something that rhymes at the end.
How about something like this? Memory so dear, kept nearby Acrobat. No fear, so clear, thanks to Schm-Acrobat.
Yes, child.
Wait. No, he just said Schm-Acrobat.
Loved it.
Well, nothing rhymes with Acrobat either. You're not necessarily making it easy.
Okay, I can think of plenty of things that rhyme with Acrobat.
You already said nothing rhymes with it.
Cat in the Hat. I need a bat.
You're talking about my art, dog.
You know what? Let's just forget about rhyming with Adobe or Acrobat.
Vibes.
We kind of just want to include some of the new Acrobat features.
Vibes.
Like how it can summarize or rephrase documents for you, okay?
New vibes?
I like new vibes.
Yes, vibes. Let's switch up the beat. We'll get a fresh sound.
All right, I think I know exactly what you need.
Great, do that.
Okay.
No. Not that one.
I like this.
That's me on a personal phone call.
How is this getting worse?
Just gonna give it one more shot. I think you're gonna like this one a lot. Schmadobe, Schm-Acrobat, all these new features, templates, summarize, strategize, schmeechers.
Great, we'll be in touch.
I'll definitely be in touch.
No, she won't.
Can I take this with me?
You literally brought it, so please take it.
Facts, okay.
Thank you for your time.
I love you.
Please hesitate to reach out. Don't say that, Patty.
I love Schm-Acrobat.
That's not what we're called.
Schm-Acrobat loves you.